Today, I have a special guest. We are at Pierce's house, and it's my best cousin ever, Pierce. And and today we're going to be playing with some slime that we made. And so we'll show you. So first, I have this blue one that is very sparkly, and Pierce is the same exact one.
I have this
and
other blue one that
we call it a friendship slime. And
It's
then
the biggest slime that I have.
I have this orange peach sparkly clear one.
And then I have this little metallic purple with some glitter in it. And then I have some little sparkles with these other sparkles in there.
Pretty sure that was mine. Because I
No.
remember making a purple.
I made a big dark purple.
So,
And then I have this one.
and then I have this blue one that has some stars in it. And then I have this big
That's the purple
one that has like purple in it.
Drew,
But it's gray, and then it has like purple slides in it with some sparkles. So
But
we're
Drew,
gonna be playing.
You made a big purple slime.
Y'all need to
And
clean
then
the bottom there.
And then we have.
You made this big purple one, and then you mixed it in with green.
I know.
remember? So you think that.
Okay, so for right now we're gonna be playing with some Orbeez. Pierce, you can get your Orbeez out. Feels amazing. Actually, I don't really want to play with them.
Teeny, go outside and clean up all of y'all's slime. Thank you.
So Pierce will be right back.
Why don't you go help her? You're good.
Oh, go help Tiny clean up the slime.
Okay, we will be right back.
Thank you.
Sorry guys, we're back. So Sorry that took so long. Why is it so dark? Sorry about that. Okay. We were cleaning. Whoa, now that is way too bright. There we go. Now that is way too dark. Oh my gosh, why does this not work? Okay, that was good. Okay, sorry that I just wanted to make one more slime and we had to clean up, and I made this pink one with some beads in it. Turned out small, but like not that sticky. Sorry that we
Took forever.
yeah, it took so long.
If you guys subscribed that it took so long, remember subscribe to our channel.
Don't eat that, Buzz.
No. No. And subscribe to her channel, and make sure you subscribe actually. And click the like button.
Because my dad only has 3 subscribers. 3.
Yeah, only 3. So you guys need to.
And
If
then,
you
like,
want-
I'm a kid, I'm not a baby anymore, so I want subscribers.
He's
Please
really-
give me subscribers. Because I never had a channel before, and my friend Hazel told me that he has a YouTube channel, and then I was like, what? And then I just wanted to pretend that's mine, and it actually is mine now, so I just really want you to
subscribe.
So-
Because if you don't, she's gonna be really sad.
Yeah, because like other videos like Roblox or something like that has so much subscribers, like 3,000,000, whatever. So please subscribe to my dad's channel, but actually my channel now. So. Woo! I need a bag. I need to go get a bag. I'll be right there.
Buzz. Buzzy. Boo. True. I have gymnastics for tomorrow. I'm gonna see Lily for 5 days.
Cool, whatever.
I'm sorry that you couldn't do it.
It's okay.
Me and Lily can't do it because we have gymnastics and we have it right in the morning.
I have gymnastics. What are you talking about?
Oh yeah, I will see you.
But I don't have gymnastics camp.
Yeah. Me and Lily might see you. And Eliana's doing it, so I'm super excited.
Will you see me on Monday?
Yeah.
When do you get?
Yeah, because I'm staying there for the whole day.
Yeah. When do you get picked up?
3.
Okay. That's where usually I get picked up or something like that.
I can't wait.
Okay, guys, we were done showing you the slime and playing with them. So that's all for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video and have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys. Blow it up. Don't forget, never grow up.